Hello everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems E3D Admin Training course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500 plus courses, partners with 10K plus experts, serves 2,000 plus corporates, has trained 1 million plus individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. The E3D admin training is designed for professionals aiming to excel in the administration of the AVEVA Everything3D design software, a leading tool for 3D modeling in plant design and shipbuilding. This specialized training equips participants with the knowledge and skills necessary to configure, manage, and optimize the E3D environment, ensuring efficient project execution and high-quality design output. Participants learn to navigate the complex functionalities of E3D, including project setup, user management, customization of the environment, data management strategies, and troubleshooting common issues. The training emphasizes best practices for maintaining the integrity and performance of the E3D system, enabling administrators to support diverse design teams effectively. The benefits of undergoing E3D admin training include enhanced project management capabilities, improved design quality, and increased operational efficiency. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the E3D admin training. It's open to anyone interested in 3D design and modeling, eager to learn about AVEVA E3D administration. What will you learn? During the course you will understand the basics of AVEVA E3D environment setup and configuration, user and project management within E3D, customizing E3D for specific project requirements, effective data management and security practices, troubleshooting common E3D issues, implementing best practices for design integrity and quality, optimizing the E3D environment for efficiency and performance. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about E3D admin and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our E3D admin subject matter experts have profound understanding of E3D admin, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of CAD/CAM domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. By mastering E3D, administrators can significantly contribute to reducing project timelines and costs while ensuring adherence to industry standards. Research underscores the importance of skilled E3D administrators in optimizing design processes. Organizations that invest in comprehensive training for their E3D personnel report better project outcomes. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's E3D admin training, where you will master AVEVA E3D design and modeling, enhancing skills in 3D environment management and project execution.